It's mid-December 2025. Just one question. Do you remember the first day of this year? It feels like it was yesterday, doesn't it? This feeling isn't just a coincidence, it's a reality happening inside your brain right now. The seconds you experience today are much shorter than the seconds you experienced as a child. In this video, I won't just tell you the terrifying scientific reason why your life is accelerating. I'll tell you how to hit the brakes and slow down time itself. The first reason is pure mathematics, or what scientists call the proportional theory of time perception. Simply put, when you were 5 years old, one single year represented 20% of your entire life. That felt like an enormous span of time. Expansion, think of a massive mountain. When you're at the bottom, every step feels monumental. But when you're already near the summit, the remaining steps seem insignificant. Our brains treat years the same way. When you are 40, that same year is barely 2.5% of your total journey. Our brains measure time relative to how much life we have already lived. As you get older, the mathematical significance of 1 year shrinks, and that makes it fly by faster. The second and most dangerous reason is routine. Your brain stops recording. When you were a child, everything was a new event. Your first time at the beach, first day of school, first taste of ice cream. Your memory was full of vivid details, so time felt longer. Expansion scientists call this reliance on unique experiences event memory. Your brain uses these events as unique anchors to map out time. When you are a child, every day creates new anchors, but now, you wake up, drive the same route, drink the same coffee, and sit at the same desk. Your brain automatically deletes repetitive details to save energy. It's like a computer compressing the same file over and over. If you can't look back and recall specific, unique memories from last Tuesday, your brain essentially files that whole week as one long, short day. That's why years feel like a single second. Okay, we know the problem. What is the solution to stop 2026 from being stolen from you? The answer is simple: inject novelty. Here are 3 strategies to slow down your brain's clock, change your input the mind, learn a new, challenging skill, like a language or a musical instrument. This forces your brain to create entirely new neural pathways and focus intensely. Change your space, the body, change your commuting route, visit a new coffee shop, travel somewhere new. New environments demand full attention and detailed memory storage. The first-time rule: actively seek out experiences you've never had before. Try a completely new cuisine. Attend a lecture on a foreign topic or solve a puzzle. Type you hate. Every time you introduce new information, your brain is forced to wake up and register every single detail. The day gets longer in your memory. Time isn't running out. We simply stopped living new details. If you felt that 2025 really rushed by, hit the like button on this video to let us know we are not alone. And subscribe to the channel to learn the secrets of your mind that you are missing out on. Finally, let me know in the comments, what is the one thing you can't believe has already passed in 2025?